9-1, identifying the line of symmetry. Number 3, the polygons here undergo a reflection. You're going to determine the line of reflection. So you take a look. For A, the polygon of WRGA got reflected here somehow, and it became to the value of R prime. Okay? So you can visually see this as being right here. Okay? As being the line of reflection, because notice that this is one distance away, so this is also one distance away. Okay, so this is the reflection over the x-axis. Okay, if you would double check, just grab the point. The original point here is 1 2 3 -1 3 -1, and the new point here is 3 comma +1. Notice that the y value changes here. That is still true. Okay, notice here that the y value changes. Okay, that's how you know it's the reflection over the x-axis. Right? For B, it's really hard to use the rule here because this is not over a particular axis, but take a look at where you can draw a line, right, to cut it basically. Does this make sense? No, right? That doesn't look right. Does that look right? No. Okay, let's try the other way. No. Yep, this one looks pretty good. Okay, do you see how it's very symmetrical? Right, let's double check by counting some distances. K, 1 2 1 2, that's correct. P, 1 1, perfect. R, 1 1. So that is the perfect line of reflection. So the line of reflection here looks like it is -1, -2, -3. This is x is equal to -3. That would be the line of reflection here. Let's take a look for C. It looks like the line of reflection is over this axis because let's double check. Let's count the distance. 1 unit away, perfect. 1 2 1 2, that's 2 units away. 1 2 1 2, 2 units away. So that is correct. So here now we can now see that for this it is a reflection over the y-axis, and we could double check by grabbing some points here. The u here is 1 2, so it is what, -2 comma 2. And the new point here, oh, the original point here was 2 comma 2, right? Yes. So do you see here the x value changes? That's why it's correct, right? Because we notice that the x value here changes when it is reflected over the y-axis. Let's look at D here. Ooh, this looks really confusing. You know what? It's very hard to visualize this, so how about I just grab the points? So I look at the u value, and it looks like it's 1 2 3 down 1, so it's -3 comma -1. That's correct. Let's look at the blue. So that looks like -1 1 2 3. So -1 -3. Oh wow, do you see this? These 2 points, it went from -3 comma 1, and it became -1 comma -3. Notice that the values switches spots. And if you remember from the question above, when it switches spots, the line of reflection would be y equals to x. This would be the line of reflections because the value switches spots here.